Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Confectioner's sugar. A smidge of confectioner's sugar thickens the filling, while also keeping it light. I tested with flour and cornstarch and both left a chalky aftertaste. I recommend sticking with confectioner's sugar. Sour cream. Add a little sour cream for that trademark tangy cheesecake flavor.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
There are a few different reasons why your cheesecake may be too runny or not thick enough for your liking. For many people, the issue is that the cheesecake was not properly refrigerated before serving.
Take our lead.
You can tell the doneness of your cheesecake by gently shaking it. This jiggly center is perfectly okay because the texture of the cheesecake will firm up when cold, usually overnight in the refrigerator until it's completely cold and chilled through, or for at least 6 hours after cooling on a wire rack.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Many recipes state to refrigerate for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight, to help the cheesecake actually set. If you did this, and it still was runny, I'd do the freezer recommendation below. However, you may find that after spending a decent time in the fridge, it will set up.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.